Hello guys, my name is Bruno Magaisho. I am a PhD student here in Brazil, and well, this course it will be a practical Lattice Boltzmann course, and it will be uh, more focused in, as I say, practical applications. So my main motivation to this course is is because I think that there are a few quantity of stuff done in the internet showing actually the difficulties of the implementation of some kind of codes. So I think that this may be helpful for a lot of people that are trying to learn and to implement the Lattice Boltzmann method. So here, for example, I will show a brief simulation that we are going to reproduce in the course. So this is a thin place. We have the flow coming from the left to the right, and we see the von Karman vortex street. So this is the thing that we are trying to achieve with our first code. So one thing that I have to say is that we are going to make this course in Python. So the reason that I choose Python is because of course it is the language that I'm using, but I think the Python language is more friendly. So for new people that are trying to learn the Lattice Boltzmann method, or even for new people that are new in programming, so I think it is more friendly to read and to write. So I think this will help new people to learn also the methods as a programmer. Okay, so here, for example, there is the codes of the simulation that I just showed. So it is a simple code. In the first part we have the libraries. The second part we have the implementation of the flow definitions, basically. In the third part we have the function definitions, and in the last part, and actually the code ends here. Here we have the main time loop. Okay, and the last part is just for plotting and to save the velocities, for example. And actually, I'm not going into the details of this code because this will be the subject of the next videos. But it's just to show you guys that for a simple code in Python, we can actually reproduce a nice simulation with a good aesthetics also. But the more important thing is that the physics is being quite well reproduced, as this is what we expect to see of a flow passing through a thin plate. We expect to see the von Karman vortex street, and this is actually what is happening. So okay, one more thing that I want to say is, again, I wanted to emphasize that this course is a more practical one. So there are a lot of stuff. There are for more deep theoretical point of view of the Lattice Boltzmann done in the internet. So you guys can always go and look for those theoretical parts. Of course, that we are going to give some theoretical background for all the codes that you are trying to reproduce here. But as I said, it will be like a more brief theoretical part, and we are going to focus in the practical applications. Okay, so I think the last thing I want to say is that I will also leave my GitHub link here in the description of the video, because in my GitHub blog I will leave some of the codes. Of course, that all the codes that you are trying to implement during this course, I will leave in the GitHub pages, but also there in my GitHub blog I also have some of the stuff that I'm doing actually right now in my research, so this may also be helpful for other people's. Okay, and in my GitHub pages you guys can find my email, and you can always send me an email to talk about the Lattice Boltzmann method, or for some doubts, or doubts on the codes and all the stuff that we are trying to do during this course. Okay, so I think this is basically what I want to say in this first introduction video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye bye.